Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to install basic packages to your Ubuntu system and add the php-pear repository for PHP. Now run the next command to install the LAMP stack dependencies to your Ubuntu system. Once installation is finished, check the Apache server status, mariadb-server status, and PHP version with the next command. Open the next file using NANO editor and change the default configuration with the next. Lastly, run the systemctl command to restart the Apache. Login into MariaDB shell and create a new user and database with the following commands. Now navigate to the next directory and download the osTicket source code using the next command. Once downloaded, run the unzip command to extract the osTicket source code. Now run the following commands to change the ownership of directory to your user. Lastly, run the following command to copy the osTicket configuration to the next directory. Now create a Apache virtual host file with the following command. Insert the following configuration and make sure to change the server name option with your domain name or IP address. Now run the command below to activate the osTicket conf file and verify your Apache syntaxes. Lastly, restart the Apache with the next command. Now open your web browser, visit your domain name or IP address. You should see the following. Make sure every dependencies for osTicket is installed. Now change the basic system settings such as your domain name, then input the new administrator user for osTicket and input the database details that you've created. That's it, now you can start work with osTickets. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.